Acres! Today is Wednesday. It is October the 7th and is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, Chargers, Kahoot is next Wednesday. Not this one, next week. Leadership will share more information soon, but it's again next week, not today. It's still happening between the two courses, between your AM classes and the PM classes. That's when this will take place. Today is RTI, so once again, here's our schedule. Make sure that you are following along and attending all the classes you need to be at. So let's make sure that we are doing our part. Start by showing up, going to advisory, and checking in so you know where you need to be. Don't forget to look for that Zoom link so you know which class to be when. This Friday is our Cancer Awareness Day. Chance for some spirit points and an opportunity to wear pink. So hey, let's participate, get some spirit points, and raise a little awareness for the people around us. If you want to be in the yearbook, you have a great opportunity. And really, in a way, you're almost in the yearbook class in some sense. Chargers, yearbook members have started emailing you, the students, to collect pictures for yearbook coverage. All yearbook staff are in charge of gathering the photos from their list of students. The staff will be emailing you a Google form to submit your pictures. Don't ignore those emails. As long as we are in distance learning, this is the best way we know how to get pictures into the yearbook. Each time you receive an email, there will be a request for a specific type of picture, like a selfie for the school page or students involved in a sport or engaged in their favorite hobby. This is a great opportunity for every Charger to end up in the yearbook 3 or more times. Thank you for participating and making this yearbook great. So, our last thought for today is our looking to be ambitious. Ambition is the first step to success. The second step is action. So make sure you're doing whatever you can to achieve that goal that you're setting your mind to. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.